Rhino Tutorials. Today I want to show you on your WIX website how to update the page SEO. So what that is it's going to determine how a page shows up on Google, how it is ranked, how the name of it is going to appear. So in order to do that, you need to log into your WIX account, open your website, and then you want to choose the Manage Pages here. And right now, these are the pages. So again, for those of you unfamiliar with this, my students build websites in our jewelry and glass classes in order to feature their pieces that they make. So the template that we use is this one. All of the tutorials follow along with this one. So changing your page SEO, if you just click on any one of these, so I'm going to go to the About one, and if you click on these three little dots right here and go to SEO, you're going to see how that's going to show up. So ideally you would have it named right here. So for instance, on my Urban Rhino one, it says, like my About page would say About, and then I would have the bracket there, and then I would have Urban Rhino, or Urban Rhino blog is what it would say here. And then that would continue for each of the pages. So the contact page, it would say contact, and then Urban Rhino blog. So that's what's going to show up. The description, if you don't put anything there, it just is blank. If you want to describe what your page is about, you can. Again, this is just what's going to come up when you search. If someone searches this website or searches for something similar on Google and clicks on your website. So this one is already titled About, but if, for instance, if I wanted to call it About Me, I could do that. I would want to change it here. You can see where it updated it there, and then I would also want to name it here as well. Usually, though, you want that to reflect the same as what you've changed the page to. So if I had a page on here that said Q&A, for instance, then I would want to make sure that I named it that. I'm going to change this back so you can see up here it reflected to About Me. You can see if I backspace it when I click off of here, it's back to that. So my students, you want to go through and change all of these so that they are consistent. One thing is, if you duplicate a page, so if I go and duplicate that, no matter what I name it, so we'll just go ahead and do the Q&A like I said. Hit done. When I go to the page SEO, it's going to say you might not like the dash, so you can take that out. Also, sometimes, depending on what the page is, or if you forget to name it here when you first create the page, sometimes it will just say copy of, like copy of About page, and you don't want your name to be that. This just makes your website appear more professional. So we're going to save this. I had this screen open in another window. So hopefully that makes sense. So go through and rename all of those. I'm going to delete this page out because I don't want it on there. And you can see when you click through, that one's contact. We've got About Me, portfolio, and so on. So rename those so that they reflect the name of your pages, and then you should be good to go, and just make sure you save and publish. So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course subscribe to our channel.